Hi, welcome to the demonstration video of Odoo's application, Website Dashboard Ninja, powered by Ksolves. In this video, we will understand a very important feature, that is the real-time data. This feature basically shows us the importance that how exactly the data entries at the backend reflects on the website dashboard. So once a data entry is done at the backend, we can see the change in the dashboard page as well. So we can control the interval time as well. So for that, I will be firstly showing you how it happens, how it functions. To show you that, I have already gone to the quotations page on the top. Now I'll add a new order. Before that, I'll just confirm you the number of sales order once again. It is the 41 sales that we have already right now. I'll add one more customer over here. I'll add the product. I'll increase the price. I'll save it. Now to show you the time interval that we have set for this item for the auto updaters, we go to the my dashboard. We'll go to the full settings. You can see update interval is 30 seconds, right? So once we save this and we go to our page, we can see the test sale has become 42 from 41. So this is how this auto update feature works, right? So the real time feature definitely helps us to see the real time refreshed data on our dashboard website, right? So thanks for watching this video. I hope this will be of great help. For any further questions or queries, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you.